Did your photos just vanish out of nowhere? I'm talking about important memories gone. Chill, breathe, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get them back, quick and easy. Let's fix this. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your previous pictures. Alright, so what you have to do is to use your Google browser or your Chrome browser. So I'm going to use my Chrome browser. Just open your Chrome browser and type Google Photos. Google Photos. You see why typing Google Photo? Don't give a space, just type them together. Googlephotos.com. As you can see, it's displaying there because I've used it. Okay, so this is it, googlephotos.com. Select it. So you're gonna use the first one or the second one. All right, make sure you sign in. Okay, you can sign in with any of your email. You can sign in with any of your email. All right, so this you can sign in with your email. All right, so then if you scroll down, you see your photos. Then if they are the photos that you don't want, all right, so you have to go to settings. So you have to, if you want to delete anyone you don't like, just these settings. Remember, your phone interface and mine might not be the same. So once you see this icon that displays settings, just select it and scroll down. You will see suggestion. Select suggestion. Okay. Then you can view. This is where you view the images that you wanna remove. So with this now, you can delete any image. You can select and delete it permanently. All right, if you want to delete this one, you can delete it permanently. It won't be seen again. Okay, you see it has gone. So you can delete any image permanently. Even videos, you can delete them as well. Alright, so that is it. This is for those that have used Google Photos before. If you haven't used Google Photos, you might not access your previous photos. Okay, see, I told you, not gone for good, just hiding in plain sight. If this saved your memories, go ahead and like, subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update. Share this with someone else panicking right now. Let's help everybody get their photos back. See you in the next one.